guys, it's Kim and welcome to my channel. Today I have two special guests. I have my sisters. This is my youngest sister,
Jaya,
and my older sister,
Sammy.
And one of my sisters are missing, but we're going to do the sister tag. And basically what we're going to do, my friend is behind the camera. She's going to be asking questions. Who is most likely to do what? And we have cards with names on them, so we just have to select the name that we think is best suited for whatever she says. So I'm going to let my friend behind the camera take over.
Hi, it's Shia behind the cameras. The first question is, who is the youngest?
V baby.
The second question is, who is the grumpiest?
God.
She knows.
Oh dear. Third question is, who is most likely to have a child first?
I'm going to put up both of these because that's genuinely how I feel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fourth question is, who is most likely to get arrested? Number 5, who is most likely to get up and sing karaoke?
No. He said,
I
cannot see you. Like
I've seen you.
I'm told. No, you've never. I will not in public if I don't know.
If
people.
I'm drunk,
if it's my
enough, I
friends,
will.
if my friends, I will tell you guys. I'll make up my own words.
If I'm drunk enough.
100%. I think we could feed you liquor and put you up there. Go, Mom.
Number 6, who is the most athletic?
I can hold my own. Screw this. I can hold my own. Catch me in the gym. I can hold my own. Oh yeah.
Number 7, who has the biggest feet?
I can't stand you. I can't stand you. Stupido.
Number 8, who is most likely to ace a math test?
I have never made a math test that I failed. Lies, I failed one. Okay.
Number 9, who is the better dancer? Okay, this is a big debate now.
We're gonna do a dance off. I don't know what that is.
Dance off coming soon.
She's a young one.
I'm
She
joking,
can do
guys.
her thing. Not me, y'all.
This is the big debate. Who is the better cook?
Ooh, I have never really
I'm
tried.
gonna put my-
I'm gonna say it myself.
Period.
Yeah.
Period. I'm gonna hold my hand up.
Ooh, it's getting juicy. Who takes the longest to get dressed?
Oh my god.
Number 12, who is the most competitive? All around competitive.
It's too much.
I am very competitive. I like to win.
Number 13, who is the most sexual?
Ooh.
I'm a perv. I'm not. Really? Okay. Oh, I like these.
Number 14, who drinks the most?
I'll take it.
Number 15, who smokes the most?
You guys have to come.
This young blood, that Mary Jane.
Number 16, whose style is best?
I'm gonna put my damn soul.
Myself. That's myself.
Okay. Number 17, who sleeps the heaviest?
Actually, yeah.
I was gonna say me, but I dropped my gun.
No, you don't. She sleeps the heaviest. Like anything I
What
do
do you
will
mean
wake
by-
you up.
Oh. Yeah, I won't wake up.
She is going.
I'm a light sleeper, actually. So it's...
Yeah, it has to be her.
Who shops online the most? Number 18.
I feel personally attacked. I feel personally attacked.
Yeah.
All the time.
Everything.
Even if you can go to a store, she will get it off of Amazon.
Amazon Prime.
Number 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the life of the party?
Yeah.
You know, some period.
Okay.
Sanjay, you don't even talk to people.
Number 19. Who is most likely to start an argument?
Actually,
I feel like none of us.
I don't think, no, I feel like we.
oh, actually, well, you defend yourself well. If that's a good
If
thing.
someone says something, I usually no, I
defend
let
yourself.
it go though. I just until somebody picks at me, and then I'm like, okay, you
No,
finna get
I'm
it.
definitely not the one to start a fight.
No, I won't start. I won't
I
go
won't-
out of my way. to,
Pick
like-
somebody out of the three.
I literally can't think of anybody.
I don't know. I guess, you know what? I'll probably say me if I'm drunk.
100%. When she is drunk, she thinks it's Mortal Kombat. She said, "Sis, hold my bag." She said, "Girl, hold my bag." The next day, my sister called me. She said, "Girl, I don't know what I would have did if that girl hit me."
Guys, I swear.
She said, "Hold this, hold
That's
that."
a story for another
Yeah,
time.
that's too funny.
Number 20. Who is most likely to get lost in a foreign country?
That doesn't make it. I don't know.
Most definitely me.
Especially if I don't do my research. Like, that's all. It's convenient.
I will go do my research and write all the instructions
Yeah.
down. I have issues. But anyways, guys, hopefully that was helpful and helps you guys get to know us a bit more. You guys will be seeing them a lot more. As I said, these are my sisters. It makes me happy. But until next time, guys, stay fit, stay healthy, and stay beautiful. Bye.